Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, we have the 2024 Toyota Tacoma riding on the new TNGA-F architecture. The Tacoma finally get a major redesign, including a new optional fully redesigned multi-link coil rear suspension. Leaf spring are on lower spec models. It comes in an extended or XtraCab with two-bed option. The design is familiar and draw from the Tundra with LED lighting. The more aggressive TRD Pro gained a wider body kit, Fox Key as three-coil offer, a unique bumpers and dual-tone paint. The new Trail Hunter comes in gradient with a longer box, gaining a low-profile roof rack and a prominent sport bar. Under the hood will be two powertrain offering. Base is a 2.4-liter turbo for making 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque, and 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, both with an 8-speed auto. The 6-speed manual models get 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. The top of the line iForce Max use a 2.4-liter turbo for paired to a hybrid system to make 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Max towing is rated at 6,500 pounds and payload at 1,709 pounds. Four-wheel drive models have an electronically controlled 2-speed transport case with a high or low range along with active traction control or ATRAC and an automatic limited slip differential or auto LSD. TRD models get an E-locking rear diff, while the limited spec get a center locking differential and a full-time four-wheel drive. The new Trail Hunter model features more gadgets like an integrated air compressor, power port and more. The new Trail Hunter model features more gadgets like an integrated air compressor, power port and more. Some more new vehicle features include the front stabilizer bar disconnect, 33.8-degree approach, 33.8-degree approach, 23.5-degree brake cover, and 25.7-degree departure angles on TRD Pro, 360 cameras, and so much more. Inside is new Tech 2. Inside is an 8 or 14-inch touchscreen, wireless charging and CarPlay, and 7-inch or 12.3-inch digital cluster and optional digital key. Safety Sense 3.0 standard in all models, and so much more to come. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Toyota Tacoma? Please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.